Welcome to art and craft class. Children, do you like painting? Yes, painting with watercolor, what a fun! लेकिन आपकी मम्मी हमेशा आपको डांटती है क्योंकि आप आपके हाथ गंदे करते हो, कपड़े गंदे करते हो और ड्राइंग भी गंदा हो जाता है. So children, today I am going to teach you a simple painting technique. इस पेंटिंग से आप आपका ड्राइंग ब्यूटीफुल बना सकते हो एंड दैट टेक्निक इज कॉल्ड एज प्रिंटिंग टेक्निक. यू कैन टेक योर थंब प्रिंटिंग, देन वेजिटेबल प्रिंटिंग. सो चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स स्टार्ट. चिल्ड्रन, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू color this drawing with different technique, that is printing with vegetables. I have some vegetables here. This is bitter gourd and this is ladyfinger. So we are going to use these vegetables for taking impressions. Now see children, I have already drawn this drawing. One small house and clouds are there. Now for this drawing you will need this type of colors. These are poster colors or watercolors. If you don't have this, you can use tube colors or cake colors also. Now for these colors we need some water. I have taken here 2 bowls of water. One is for washing your hands and one is for coloring. Then I have taken this palette. If you don't have palette, you can take small white plate also, and brushes for taking colors. Now we will start our drawing. Firstly, we will cut our vegetables. You can take your mummy's help here. See here, I am cutting this lady's finger or bhindi like this. See here. Here we get one flower shape. Okay. Then I am cutting this bitter gourd also. For cutting vegetables, take your parents' help. Don't use knife. Now, I am taking this red color first in this palette. Don't add too much of water. Only little water you add in this and mix properly. You have to keep this color thick. Now I am taking this bitter gourd and dip in this red color and take an impression here. See, so pretty red flower we get. Is it looking nice? Yes. Now I am taking sketch pens and we will make stick of this flower. Now I am taking here yellow color. I am adding little orange color also. Now take this lady finger I have taken 2 stands here of lady finger. And now I am taking black sketch pen. See here, we made butterfly with this lady's finger. We can make more butterflies here. Let it dry first. Now I am taking here green color for leaves. If your color is too thick, add little water in it. While using watercolors, take help of your parents. Otherwise, mummy will scold you. See, like this. Now I am using my little finger here and you can take print and make leaves. See children, it is looking very beautiful. Now wash your hands first in one bowl. And wipe your hand with a cloth. Now again I am taking yellow color here. Now see what I am doing. I am taking my thumb's impression here. Okay. And now my little finger's impression, like this. आप सोच रहे होंगे टीचर ने ये क्या बनाया? अभी देखो सूखने के बाद हम इसका क्या बनाते हैं. लेट इट ड्राई. तब तक हम यहाँ पे ग्रास बनाते हैं. और ये ग्रास पे हम बनाएंगे छोटे छोटे फ्लावर्स विद दिस लिटिल फिंगर. Make small flowers. Now clean your hand. Now children, see, I have taken this black sketch pen. See, is it looking nice? So cute. Now children, for coloring this house, I am going to use wax crayons. I have taken blue color here. See children, our drawing is complete. You can add more things also. Do you like this drawing? Yes. Okay children, enough for today. Thank you.